Welcome to Roni Tuitions, Math as Fun. Today we are going to read in the next branch of the maths in that algebra. And in the algebra, this is the first part number 1. In the maths is divided into 3 parts. One is called the arithmetic, one is called the algebra, and one is called the geometry. So this is the algebra number 2, algebra in that part number 1. Algebra means that is the numbers written with some alphabets. Numbers written with alphabets. Suppose that any number taken, 7 number taken, and that is any alphabets taken, A, B, C, D, P, Q, R, X, Y, Omega, Theta, Bar, Psi, Phi, like that. So here that number terms becomes 7x. 7 and x. 7x. In that 7 is the number, x is the variable. Now what is the 7? 7 is the called constant. Constant means the value is never changed. Value is never changed. Here written 7, anywhere write 7, 7 will be the 7 only. It is not changing. It is called the constant or coefficient. Whatever the number, another alphabet given, that alphabet is called the variable. Variable means value always changes. Value changes. Constant value not change. Variable value changes. Suppose that I written the numbers here. One thinks ki 7x is equal to 5. So what will be the value of the x here? What number I have to multiply with the 7, it will come the 5. Suppose that I will write then x is equal to 5 by 7, it will come 5 by 7. When I will write the x value 5 by 7, then this equation will be satisfied. Suppose that another example take 7x is equal to 14. That time x is equal to y, what we have to write? 2. Then only it will come the 14. So here see, when first time the x value is 5 by 7, second time x value came 2, means the value x is changes. When changes, so that is called the variable. Variable means the value changes. Next, coming the terms. These are called the terms. When we are writing the any number with the alphabets, it is called the terms. So terms we are seeing only the 2 sign, one positive sign and one negative sign. We should not see the multiplication or the division sign. We should not see multiplication and division sign, not say. In that how much terms are there? 7x plus 2y plus 3z. In that 7x and plus, this is another, this is one term and this is another term and this is the another term. So one total term how much? 1, 2, 3. There are the 3 terms are there. But if suppose that we written 7x into 2y, or let it be any number written, 7x by 2y written, 7x by 2y. In that only one term is there. Why? Because of we should not see the division. We should not see the division. We see only the plus sign and minus sign. How much terms are there? According to that terms, these are the given divided into parts. Number 1, if the terms is 1, it is called the monomial. If terms is 1, then it is called the monomial. Example here, 2z, okay, minus 7x, okay, 2 by 3, xy. These are the one terms, single terms. Then coming binomial. Bi means 2. Bi means 2. Monomial is 1. Mial means term. Monomial, one term. Binomial, bi means 2. Nomial means term. 2 terms will be there. So then 2z minus 3y. Another example we can take 7x, okay, plus 2z, 4z, like that, any numbers. 2 terms means one sign will come in that. Middle one sign. Maybe the positive, maybe the negative. Then trinomial. Tri means 3. Nomial means term. 3 terms are there. That is called the trinomial. Here one example given 2z minus 3y plus 4p. In that, if any other example we can give, suppose that 2x square plus 5x 3x minus 7 is equal to 0. This is also the trinomials only. This is also trinomial. Trinomial, another way it is called the polynomials also. Polynomial. Next coming polynomial. Polynomial means many terms, more than 3 or many terms. So here that how many terms are there? How many terms are there in that? There are the 4 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4 terms are there. So that is called the polynomial. In that, after that, how much terms are there? How much variables are there? In that one variable. In that one variable is there. In that 2 variables are there. In that 3 variables are there. Z, P, Y, P. So how much variables are there? That much solution will be there. After that, how much powers are having? If the any variable has the power, that is called the degree. That is called the degree. Single degree is called single degree, 1 degree. First coming 0 degree. 0 degree is called the constant. 0 degree is called constant. That is any numbers. Any number. Like I suppose that minus 7, 2, 5, 9, 15, like that numbers. Then coming 1 degree. 1 degree is called the linear equation. Linear equation, 1 degree, that is linear equation. It has only one solution. How much degree is there, that much solution will be there. So 1 degree, that is called linear. And example, it is giving linear equation in 1 variable, 2 variable, 3 variable, like that it will come. Linear equation in 1 variable. Equation means equity, means equal sign. It is make the separate by the equal sign. So here returns 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. This is the linear equation in 1 variable. Because of only one variable is there in that, x only one variable. So this is linear equation in 1 variable. It has only one solution. Then coming 2 degree. 2 degree are called the quadratic equation. What called that? Quadratic equation. And this total video, quadratic equation total video, you can see before it is uploaded in the channel. Okay, more advanced quadratic equation, how to solve it by the methods, that we will get the after this part of that. Next coming the quadratic equation. Quadratic equation means 2 degree. That is variable has the 2 degree. Suppose that here I written already 2x minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. In that there are the 2 degree are there. 2 power is 2. So it is called the quadratic equation. And quadratic equation has the 2 solution. Because of 2 degree, 2 solution. Next it is coming 3 degree. 3 degree, in that it is called the 3 degree. It is the cubic polynomial. Cubic means 3. So it has the 3 variable, 3 power and 3 solutions are there. How it is? Suppose that I written the 3x the power 3 plus 2x square plus 5x minus 7 is equal to 0. This is the cubic polynomial. And it has the 3 solutions. Next we will how to solve this. How to solve the equation. How to solve the equation, that you will get the video next time. Thank you.